historical data upload from an old provider, specifically June. And now all that data shows up as usage data on the data we did the upload. So for example, it says that we have over
Yeah.
6K users performing events on March 28th, which was kind of the evening that we did the bulk upload. So it's skewing our metrics. Is there a way that we can fix or backdate it properly?
No way to edit the data. There's actually nothing you can do to edit data in Amplitude in that way. So you cannot just go in and correct timestamps, unfortunately. And that's not just an Amplitude thing. It's a very common analytics platform trade-off. What you can do, however, is to hide that data, or I think it should be also possible, depending on the plan you're on, to delete data now and redo the backfill with the correct timestamps. There's an article called Backfill Guide, the Amplitude documentation. I would recommend having a look at that. And of course, the most important thing to know here is that this will affect your event volume. So I would check if you're within those limits when you redo the backfill.
So we might just potentially be able to hide the data from that day because it's queuing with all our monthly averages and average usages. That would probably be the easiest way.
In data here, you'll see filters and create drop filter. This is how you hide data. Yeah, and then you're going to set a range for what
The
you want to hide.
specific day. Or like we can set the day that we did the upload.
Correct. Yeah.
Perfect.